Line repair. Skin appearances have shifted from aesthetic aspirations to healthy benefits because skin properly treated from within turns vital and glowing on the outside. Genuine, healthy glow is not a momentary effect. It is the result of constant, in-depth activity that prompts essential processes and restores natural balance. Uneven tone, spots, and sagging make the skin look dull, tired, and older, impacting on glow and vitality. Line repair addresses such negative manifestations in 7 carefully planned steps, starting with cleansing, ending with renewal and protection for smooth, glowing skin. Salon treatment. Step 1. Moisturizing micellar milk. Apply to face and neck and massage in gently with wet fingers. Wipe off with a wet cloth. You may apply around the lips and the eyes. Combines cleansing power of micelle and soapwort flowers extract to eliminate makeup residue and impurities. Effortless, non-irritating use to protect, soothe, and moisturize the skin. Step 2. Oxygen peel. Apply an even layer onto clean, dry skin once a week. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. To enhance exfoliation, use cotton pads to wipe off with circular movements. Incorporating pineapple, mulberry enzymes, and plankton algae feeds oxygen and energy to cells, removes dead surface cells, revealing young and healthy cells and assisting in essential nutrients absorption. Immediately restores vitality and radiance. Step 3. Glow mask. Apply an even layer onto face and leave for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly. According to need, extract comedones at the end of stage 3. 15% of AHA acids for a more intensive cell renewal, specially formulated to accelerate cell renewal and enhance radiance. Packed with beauty-boosting nutrients such as AHA acids, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid, increases cellular efficiency for a more youthful appearance. Step 4. Ultra Nourish Mask. Apply an even layer onto face, neck, and décolleté. Leave on for 10 minutes. Infuse the skin with high concentrations of vitamins, fatty acids, and minerals, rehabilitating the skin barrier, reducing dryness and irritation, leaves the skin revitalized and supple. Step 5. Lift Define Mask. With a spatula, mix 2 tablespoons Lift Define Mask powder, 11 grams with 4 tablespoons, 60 milliliters, gradually added water, and apply on top the gauze to entire face and neck. Leave on for 10 minutes and then pull up. If necessary, wipe off residue with wet cloth. While drying on skin, releases active ingredients essential in improving skin functioning, has immediate tightening effect, cools down, and calms the skin. Step 6. Hydrofusion Concentrate. Apply onto entire face, neck, and décolleté and massage in until absorbed. Highly innovative silk-like serum infuses the skin with plenty of vitamins and humectants, supporting natural renewal functions, brightens and revitalizes for a youthful, radiant appearance and a comfortable feel. Step 7. Radiance Firm Day Cream. Apply onto face and tap in gently until completely absorbed. Luxurious, enriched with innovative active ingredients that fight dullness, sagging, and dehydration, forms an invisible film on skin surface for an anti-gravity lifting effect, restoring youth and radiance, provides optimal, long-lasting hydration. The line repair in salon treatment is completed with 5 specially designed sublines. Based on skin evaluation, customers are recommended the line of products that best suit their skin needs and ensures achieving the desired results. Fix for skin renewal. Nutrient for skin replenishment. Hydra for skin plumping. Firm for skin tightening. Glow for skin radiance. Christina, it just works.